15 minutes? Yeah, that would be great. Thanks. You do understand that this is a favor to the governor?
Yes, I was right here when he asked you a minute ago.
That means no Downton Abbey jokes.
Okay, no problem.
You promise?
I promise, milady.
That's why I came out. Just swinging around like that.
Baby's being all playful. He's on his back and everything. He scooted over there like that on his back to get to Monkey. Go get him, baby. He's in a playful mood. He just woke up from a 2-hour nap.
You've got Sherbert's attention. He's listening to every word you said.
Ow! You just bit me.
That's a little unnecessary.
Look at that. He didn't run.
Oh, shoot.
This is great success.
You didn't last 30
It was a great success. Way to ruin it, babe.
seconds. Normally I would gasp and the monocle would pop out of my eye socket.